Today I'm going to be creating this makeup look using Living Nature's makeup products. Living Nature is a New Zealand based natural brand. Just before I start, I want to show you a few things that I love about Living Nature and their products. So this is the little compact that I have my eyeshadows in, and up here it has a wee note that says breathe. Other packages have other little things on it, like this is the lipstick one, and here it says smile. So they just have really quirky little cool things on their boxes like that. Everything is recyclable, which is another plus. So if you want to see how I created this look using Living Nature's makeup products, then just keep watching. I'm going to start by using this little eyeshadow palette that I have created with Living Nature. So there's 4 shades in this palette. I'm going to start off with the cream shadow here, Sand, and I'm going to place it all over my lid. Next, I'm going to use shade Blossom, and I'm going to put this shade all through my crease. I'm now going to use the eye pencil in shade Earth all across my lash line, and then I'm going to wing it out. After I've winged it out, I'm going to smudge it in with a dark brown shimmer shadow that I have. I'm now just using this dark brown shimmer shade to smoke out that wing. So I've just gone and cleaned up the wing with a little cotton tip. I just press it along and drag away anything that we didn't want there. Cool, so that is the eye look so far. I'm going to smoke out the bottom lash line once we get to it, but now we're going to use the Living Nature foundation. This is shade Pure Sand. This foundation is definitely more of a medium to full coverage. I used about 2 pumps for my full face, but you can build it up to whatever coverage that you like. Now I'm going to go in with the concealer in shade Light, just under my eyes, and just blending that in with a sponge. Now that I'm happy with how my skin is looking, I'm going to set with the luminous powder. This one is in shade Light. I'm now just going to use a bigger, fluffier brush just to put a little bit of powder on the rest of my skin. I like to press rather than sweep, that way I don't disrupt any of the products underneath. To bring a little bit more colour back to my cheeks, I'm going in with a blush. This is shade Warm Summer. It's going to go beautifully with that pink shadow that I put through my crease. So I'm just going to use a big fluffy brush and diffuse that all over my cheek area. Whatever I have left over on the brush, I like to sweep over my nose just to give my nose a little bit of colour. Now that we've finished with skin, I'm going to go back to my eyes, so I'm going to zoom you in. So I'm jumping back to using the pencil in shade Earth. This is going to go into my waterline. This dark brown shimmer shade with a small detail brush. I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. soften that and make sure that there's no harsh lines, I'm going to use shade Blossom, this one here, to just soften the underneath of my eyes. I'm now going to use this shade here to highlight my inner corner. Now that I'm happy with my eyes, I'm going to use the Jet Black mascara. It's got a great wand on it. I love a wand like this. It'd be nice and firm, so it'll really grip the lashes. A trick I really like to do with my lashes to really get the product on there is grip the lash and wiggle the wand. By doing that, it separates the lashes as well as putting as much product on as it can. So it's going to put a lot of product on without clumping. And to complete the look, I'm going to finish with the lip pencil in shade Woods and the lipstick shade Precious, which is clearly well loved. This is the finished look using all Living Nature's makeup